Here's the gang. Boat time. We are in Cabo, San Lucas.
Let's vibe it up. Put your hands up to the rooftop. Lively up. We can party till we can't stop. Fill up, pick up. Rise it up for me, Jamaica. We going nuts. We feel up to celebrate. Yeah. Baby girl, you be fun.
Welcome, we're gonna start getting on board. We're gonna leave our shoes in the wood box and we're ready for this.
All right, girls. So we're in Cabo, San Lucas. Oh, I spelt it wrong. Cabo, San Lucas. And today's birthday day. Oh, we're hungry. This is my old mate Janice of 20 years. We bonded over boating and the gang in Sydney for the last, well, in our 20s is an accurate.
We don't
get
too precise. So.
20 years of friendship.
I know. And so yesterday was Janice's birthday and today is Elizabeth's birthday. So it's a dual celebration. And so we're going to go to Cabo.
Oh, here we go again.
Cabo.
Not Cabo. San Lucas. So we're going to go out and have a good time. Go check out this beautiful rocks. It's going to be a big day, so we'll see what happens.
Cheers.
Captain Caesar
That's right.
and Cabo.
Yes.
What's your company called?
Well, we are a private boat called Andreyka.
Okay.
That's the name of the yacht and the company.
Yep.
So we do normally day charters over here in Cabo San Lucas area,
Okay.
and overnights as well.
Nice. And do you get many Australians or is it all Americans?
Sometimes we get a lot of people from Australia, beautiful country up there.
Yeah.
And most of the people, American, Canadian, and Mexican tourism as well.
Okay.
And well, Cabo it's growing up.
So what is this beautiful like rock area that we're looking at?
So over here we are getting close to the land sand, which is the very southern tip of the whole peninsula.
Yeah.
And well, we're gonna see the arch and the big rock, call it actually land sand.
Okay.
Right here is another, we're gonna pass another very important spot, which is Lovers and Divorce Beach.
Love is a divorce
That's
beach.
right, it's the only beach in the world with ocean and sea.
All right. Okay.
So on one side is the Pacific Ocean,
Yeah.
it's a divorce beach.
That's a divorce beach.
And the Lovers Beach, it's over here facing the Sea of Cortez. Which we are in the very beginning. The arch, it's like a borderline between the sea and the Pacific Ocean.
Right.
Sea of Cortez and Pacific.
Okay. I saw that on the map. Because the sunrise comes from that direction?
That's right, this area.
Okay. Because I saw some beautiful light on the rocks here in the morning. So the plan today is to go and check out the view, maybe do some fishing, maybe have some swimming, and see where life takes us.
That's right. Hopefully we'll get a big fish out there.
Yep.
And we're gonna have a lot of fun, that's for sure.
Captain Caesar, over and out. Thank you, mate.
That's right.
I don't want no problems today. Please don't come try to stop my wave. I don't want no problems today. Please don't come stop my wave. I just want the vibe. Let me be. D&D. Drinks on me. I just want the vibe. Let me be. D&D. Drinks on me.
How you feeling, birthday girl?
Fucking great.
So the plan was Kev, our mate in this boat here, was going to do some spearfishing and hopefully catch us our lunch. So we'll see what they came with. And there is a backup plan if that wasn't successful. However, knowing Kev and having been spearfishing with him before, he always comes back with a haul. So we shall see. So
Did you guys get any? Get bit? Lack of effort. We don't have any fish either. That's
Submit your orders.
so that works, right? What do you think? Are they actually leaving?
Fly catching device or distracting device. Never seen one of them before. Bloody good idea. Everyone, this is my mate Kev. Cheers. Best spear fisherman that I know. But no fish today.
Yeah.
All right.
They were very scarce.
Were they?
Yeah, we didn't find it.
Okay. So Adam, how many beers was that paddle? Was that a 2-beer paddle or a 1-beer paddle?
We had one. Should
Okay. That's how we gauge distance here in Mexico. About how many beers.
Cuánto cerveza
Quanto cervezas.
para el viaje.
Yeah, nice. We're going to be fluent in no time. So what do we have for lunch? What's that?
Those are chicken speedos.
Chicken. Have some ceviche.
Speecho.
Got it with shrimp.
Fish ceviche, picasso sashimi, guacamole, pearls, we are Mexico's.
Delicious. We should do lunch shots. Lunch shots. I think you should do lunch shots.
Oh, I bet it's 31.
I think it's 30.
Okay, we're putting bets for the population of Mexico City.
All right, so Mexico City urban population was 9.2 million in 2020, but its metropolitan area.
Let's give us the total population.
It would like jump into
21,
23.1 or something.
So that's bigger than Sao Paulo, I think.
Yeah,
It's
that's
probably on
like
the planet that I don't have downloaded.
yeah, everything. Yeah.
It's almost scanning. Are we gonna get the NASCAR started?
Cheers, mate.
Bottling the Aquila logo perfection here. Wait, is there another logo on the side? Oh my god, very cool. Was it a dolphin or?
Jesus. Yeah, that was just me. Sorry.
Lively up, we can party till we can't stop. Fill up, pick up, rise it up for me, Jamaica. We going up, we free up to celebrate, yeah. Rise it up for me, Jamaica. The party is on, dance shoes are on.
Fancy seeing you here. Ooh. Loving it. Just checking out this amazing coastline. If they're doing some cracker developments here, I'm liking what's happening in Mexico. Kevin's translating for me. From Australia.
Australia.
Yeah.
He's from Australia too?
No. No. I'm the only weird one.
He just talks funny.
Can you understand my accent?
Sometimes.
So what am I saying that you can't understand?
For example,
Right now?
Yeah.
That's funny.
Understand.
Oh, understand. Yibbity yibbida. That's so funny. See, I think you guys have the accents.
It's going down, yeah. Everybody, low, low, low. Ponder Barbie, flu. Found girl, go to one. Do. Together we go shout. Let's vibe it up. Put your hands up to the rooftop. Lively up. We go.
Birthday cake time.
There we go.
To you. Okay, it must be after 3 o'clock. So that's boat day, Cabo San Lucas. No, sorry, Cabo. Sorry, I keep getting this right. What a wonderful place this is. What a wonderful place.
On the dance floor, it's going down. Let's vibe it up. Put your hands up to the rooftop. Now lively up. We go party till we can't stop. Fill up the cup. Rise it up for me, Jamaica. We going nuts. We feel up to celebrate, yeah. Baby girl, you be fine.